Okay, so this is my game. It is called, well, it was originally called Grimmy, but now it's called GrimReaper, and you play as a little GrimReaper character. This is Grimmy. He is the player character that we're playing as. That's his little walk cycle. Now there are doors all over the map that lead to different rooms. Some of them open, some of them don't. This one opens, but it leads into an empty room. There's a maze. And here's your enemies. They're these little fireballs. I call them angels because they kill you and they try and stop you from getting to the soul. That the purpose of the game is to reap a mortal soul. And these things stop you, but you still gotta do it because, you know, you're a Grim Reaper. It's your job. These are my objects. I got most of them from the different websites on the Padlet. Some of them I designed myself. Oh, that's one of the trapdoors. They add a nice little... They add more into the game, you know? Originally, I was going to add a few different rooms. There was going to be 3 altogether. This was meant to be the basement to a pub. And there were going to be 3 floors, and then your soul that you had to read was going to be on the 3rd floor, but time was a thing. But it's a good future game idea. I like what I have right now. It's a good start. It's quite a big maze for just one room, and there's a lot of enemies in it. A lot of fake rooms that you can and can't go in. The music playing right now, I'm not sure if it's on the recording, but there's a little teaser to the end. But the music playing right now is actually from another game called Skyrim, but I quite like it and it kind of fits into the vibe of this game. Oh, got too close. But yeah. This is the end of the game now. There's a soul that you have to reap. You go up to her. She starts to cry. She disappears. And that's the game. He takes her soul and his eyes go red because he's evil. And that's my game.